first glance, they might look small, simple, and a little ordinary. But if you look closer, Haworthias reveal one of the coolest secrets in the plant world. Haworthias are compact succulents native to South Africa. Unlike many desert plants, they often grow in shaded or protected environments, which makes them perfect indoor plants. From bold stripes to crystal-like leaves, there's a surprising mix. While everyone is obsessing over bigger, flashier plants, Haworthias are quietly winning over something else: simplicity. They stay small, grow slowly, and thrive indoors, basically the perfect plant. If you've ever struggled with plants, this is where Haworthias shine. They prefer bright, indirect light. If they get too much light, they might start to scorch on the leaves. Give them a good drink, but then let them dry out completely in between your waterings. If you're ever in doubt, wait. Use a peat-free, free-draining compost. You want your Haworthia roots to be able to breathe. And make sure you use a pot with drainage holes so the excess water can just run straight out. And this is how people accidentally kill them: too much water, too much sun, and ignoring their drainage. Some Haworthias, like the famous window types, almost look transparent, like living glass sculptures. And that's what makes them really special. They reward people who take the time to look closer. If you want to know how to propagate them, Haworthias reproduce by creating offsets. And all you have to do is gently tease away the plant. It will already have roots on it, and then you can just replant it. They may not be the loudest plant in the room, but they are definitely the most fascinating. And honestly, they're perfect if you want something low effort but still beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more Succulent School, and let me know down in the comments if you've got any Haworthias.